Hello, students. This is your next chapter of your book, lesson number third, Discovery of Tut. The saga continues, written by A.R. Williams. This chapter will highlight a story in which a young ruler named Tut ruled over Egypt, and even his family or dynasty had ruled over this empire or Egypt since centuries. But what was different about Tut? He got his throne at very early age, and even after only 9 years, he was killed. He got his death, but it was completely unveiled part of his death or became mystery. That's why when a archaeologist named Carter searched out his tomb, he wanted to know all about and even wanted to give a glimpse all about the mystery of his death to the people. King Tut belonged to Tutankhamun family. He was also known as Tutankhamun as he believed in Amun. And even he ruled only just 9 years. That's why his death came. It was not considered natural death, and murder was considered most prompted cause after his death. यानी उसकी इतनी जल्दी ये नहीं कह सकते कि भाई वो नेचुरल डेथ से मरा होगा, तो इस वजह से इसके पीछे यही माना गया कि भाई इतनी अर्ली एज में उसका मर्डर किया हो गया. बहुत कम पॉसिबिलिटी होती है कि एक यंग एज में इस तरह से रूलर अपनी नेचुरल डेथ मरे. That's why in 1922, British archaeologist Carter searched out his tomb, and when he searched out the body that was laid down in a coffin lid, it was identified by him, and the coffin was 3-layered coffin. यानी उसको जिस ताबूत में रखा गया था, बॉक्स में रखा गया था, वो 3 लेयर था, उसके ऊपर 3 लेयर कवर थी. एंड he tried to came out the mummy that was in very bad conditions, but it was buried with all the things that generally need a person's even after his death. It was just a custom in earlier time. Some things that are generally needed in our daily life, or even the person who was interested in some things to use them, like maybe wine or even some clothes and other things, usually were kept with the body after even his death. ये भी उसके साथ रखी जाती थी. So this was completely body covered with the golden ornaments, like apron, we can say, amulets, rings, whatever, cover of his nails. बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसके साथ दफनाई गई थी. एंड और डे टू डे लाइफ की चीज़ें जैसे वाइन है और इवन क्लॉथ्स हैं, वो भी उसके साथ रखे गए थे. बट कार्टर wanted to know all about, but the resins that was used with this box had become so hardened. जिस बॉक्स में उसको बंद किया गया था और जो उसमें स्टिकी आइटम, रेसिन्स का मतलब स्टिकी आइटम यूज किया गया था, वो हार्डन हो चुका था. दैट्स वाई कार्टर kept the body in direct sunlight to lose the resins so that he could keep it out easily, बाहर निकाल सके इसको, लेकिन there was no impact. Getting some informations about it, after 4 decades, near about 40 years, when CT scan was developed, computed tomography that we can say, that could take hundreds of x-rays or pictures of any parts of our body, and came to be known by us variety of facts about especially the deaths of the king. उसको निकाला गया दोबारा से और उसको सीटी स्कैन करने के लिए उसको निकाला गया था. But when the body was carried out and carried to the CT scanner, you know very well, Egypt, where especially such types of graves or even pyramids are available, that is called King's Valley, जिसको King's Valley बोला गया है. दिस इज लाइक ए डेजर्ट, वो डेजर्ट है. और जहां इसकी स्टडी की गई थी, जहां सीटी स्कैन दिया गया था इसको, वेयर सीटी स्कैनर वाज फिटेड इन ए रूम, दिस वाज जस्ट आफ्टर ए स्टेयरकेस, देन दिस वाज सीटी स्कैनर. बॉडी को एक स्टेयरकेस पे रखा जाता था और वो स्टेयरकेस उसको क्या करती थी, उसको वहां तक पहुंचाती थी स्कैनर तक. When as it was kept by the pall bearers or even a person over the staircase or even reached to the scanner did not work. Especially the fans were completely choked with the dust of the desert. But somehow, with the help of substitute fans, it started again working, and the body was CT scanned, and it gives 1700 x-rays of the body, in which variety of things were known by the technician. And generally someone said, when the CT scanner was not working, this is the curse of Haros. ये भी कहा जब वो पंखे काम नहीं कर रहे थे कि भाई इसका शाप हो सकता है जिसकी वजह से इसने काम करना बंद कर दिया है. तो everything was appeared over the monitor, like his skull and even a neck bone and even a ribs. Some ribs were miss and even cracks also, but the body was seen clearly. All the body organs parts were seen clearly over the monitor. And finally, after CT scan, it was kept again under the same grave, over which a constellation or group of stars, तारे मंडल का समूह, Orion, named Orion, was seen, and it was considered the god of after death. ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये उसकी बॉडी के बिल्कुल ग्रेव के ऊपर दिखाई दे रहा था, और ऐसा माना जाता है कि डेथ के बाद ये उसकी बॉडी की देखभाल करने वाला है. तो इन दिस वे, आफ्टर गेटिंग सम फैक्ट्स about the Tut's mummy, the body was rested again at the same place, but it was completely mystery how he came to get its end of his life, and what was the real age and what was the cause of his death. And in this way, this story is over. Thanks. Have a nice day.